Good morning, girls. Hope everyone is well and safe at home. Girls, last time we had started the topic partition of Bengal and we have done the background. Now, today we will discuss the causes of partition of Bengal and the reaction of Hindus and Muslims. Now, girls, open your books on page 26. Okay, ji, the causes of partition of Bengal. The province of Bengal held an area of 1,89,000 miles and a population of nearby 8 crore. It included the Hindu-speaking regions of Bihar, the Oriya-speaking regions of Orissa, as well as Assami-speaking region of Assam, making it a huge administrative entity. Entity means which exists independently. Moreover, the capital, Calcutta, was the capital of entire British India. Thus, Lord Curzon decided to address this problem by partitioning Bengal into two entities, means which can exist independently, which resulted in Hindu majority in western half and Muslim majorities in the eastern half. According to the Lord Curzon, the division would reduce the administrative pressure and ensure the uplift of the eastern part. So the major cause for the partition of Bengal was to make a huge administrative entity in which the there would be an existence of independent states over there. And the Muslims, they could show their independent existence, they could live their independent existence in the western part, in the eastern half, and the Hindus would show their independent existence in the western half. Clear? So according to the Lord Curzon, what would happen with the division? It would reduce the administrative pressure and will ensure the uplift of the eastern part where the Muslims, they are living. Now, what was the Hindus? There were the different reactions of Hindus and Muslims. Hindus opposed the partition. Why did they oppose the partition? Because this partition was in the favor of the Muslims, as we have seen, to ensure the uplift of the eastern part, which was given to the Muslims. So they would not like to have the sympathies for the Muslims from the British government for the uplifting of the Muslims. So on 15th August 1905, they held a huge rally in Calcutta and opposed partition and decided to start the Swadeshi movement. It was meant to boycott. Boycott means to refuse to have the dealings with the British products, or to purchase the local products, means they refuse to buy the British products and to purchase the local product was become their motive. Now Hindus celebrated 16th October as the day of mourning. Day of mourning in Calcutta means the expression of deep sorrow. They expressed their deep sorrow on 16th October and celebrated 16th October as the day of mourning. On the day, Hindus boycotted and held protest rallies everywhere in India. Now, what did they want at that very time? They wanted to have the correspondence from the Muslims in the same very action. So, what happened? Muslims of India, they were very happy over the partition because it was in their favor. And there was the possibility of the development of Muslims, and Muslims refused to participate in the Swadeshi movement. So as it was going to favor the Muslims, it was going to have the possibility of the development of the Muslims. So they refused to participate in the Swadeshi movement. Hindus compelled Muslims to join the movement by playing different tactics. Meaning of tactics, the method used to achieve something. They were really in favor of the Muslims, and for this purpose they were making different tactics. For example, they used 4 tactics over there. The first one, Hindus refused to give loans to the Muslim harvesters and threatened Muslim laborers. They refused that we will not give you loans to have their to do your harvesting for the agriculture purpose, and they threatened the Muslim laborers that we will no more give you the labor, we will no more cooperate with you until and unless you will not cooperate with us in the Swadeshi movement. Hindus tried to pressurize the government to undo the partition. So there was threat of law and order in both of the previous East and West Bengal. So what did they pressurize? The Hindus, they tried to pressurize the government to undo the partition, means to take back the decision of partition. So there was which type of situation? There was a threat of law and order in both of the previous East and West Bengal. Third tactic played by the Hindus was Hindus participated in the agitation. Agitation means make someone troubled or nervous, and the Indian National Congress supported Hindus and declared that the Muslims, they were being used as tools in the hands of government, which spoiled the relations of both nations and communal rights. Communal rights means shared or done by all the members of community, and riots means violent disturbance by a crowd. They had started in many places, and the fourth step taken by them was Hindu youngsters began to attack on Muslims as well as on Britishers to undo the partition, to take back their decision regarding the partition of Bengal. So this is how the Hindus and Muslims showed their reaction. Clear? So what you have to do, you will write short questions with these paragraphs. Like with the causes, you will write down the causes of partition of Bengal. With this paragraph, you will write what was the reaction of Hindus after the decision of partition of Bengal. Clear? And with the Muslims' reaction, you will write what was the reaction of the Muslims regarding the partition of Bengal. So with this reaction, you will write only 3 lines. Clear? Starting from Muslims of India till the Swadeshi movement. Then you will write next question, mention the tactics played by the Hindus to compel Muslims to join the Swadeshi movement. Clear? So with this question, you will write, start from here, Hindus compelled Muslims to join the movement till the end of paragraph by giving the point number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Clear? So this is what all about today's lesson, girls. Do your work on daily basis. Don't pile up your work. Clear? And do this work in your neat copies. Thank you, girls. Take care. Allah Hafiz.